Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So yes, I hope you all are doing good. And today's vlog is all about diapers. Why this topic is extremely important, you will get to know by the end of this video because diaper rash is something worst nightmare, and I am damn sure no mother or father or any parent would want the child to suffer with this rash. So yes, to find out how you can prevent that, I'm gonna share you guys tips because I followed these tips and my son, I would say barely, I would say maybe very few situation or circumstance he actually got rashes, but not to an extreme or not like too much. Not to the core where I've seen other kids getting rashes. So yes, how was that I was able to prevent my child from the diaper rash? I will be sharing all of that important tips to you guys and updates and everything I'm gonna share. So please do like, share, and subscribe and stay connected to find out all the information. Let's get started. First and the most important is selecting a proper diaper. Diaper that you're gonna use for your child has to be proper. I've seen many mothers, they go wrong in this because as the baby grows you have to switch the size of the diaper, and it is extremely important. That is the first most and important tip, I would say, to avoid rashes. Size of the diaper is what is very important, because what happens if the baby is grown up and you're going to use them the same old diaper, and when they pee, that pee will actually be sticking on their skin. So what happens if you leave it for long, when you leave it for 6 or 7 or 8 hours, they will end up getting rashes. So to avoid that, you have to always ensure that the diaper is after, even after baby pees or poops, it should not stick the baby's skin. It is the extreme one, guys. This is the most important because many go wrong in this. And I would say that keep checking. I've seen that there are diapers which says that 12 hours or whatever hours you can use it, but honestly I have not come across anything as such, because it depends on the quantity. How much frequently your baby is urinating or pooping, it depends on that. So if the diaper is full and you still feel that no, it hasn't been 12 hours, and you just leave it like that, then that's it, it's a complete mess, because the pee is gonna come out, is gonna leak, and that's another thing which is something we should avoid. Because if it's leaked, the the sleeping area will get messed up, and then their clothes will get messed up, and also it can cause them anything else as well, they might fall sick as well. So to prevent all of that, you have to ensure that you change the diapers. Please don't leave it for long. You should know by yourself that how much frequently your baby is peeing, so that based on that you can keep on changing. And obviously when you put a fresh diaper, it will not look heavier, but when it looks heavier from the outside, you can definitely get to know that okay, it's a time to change the diaper, and you can accordingly change it. So let's get to the second point. I'm gonna share with you guys which are the diapers that I use for my baby and what is the advantages of that. So yes, let's get started. Here I have three diapers. This is from Pampers. As you guys can see, this diaper, it is thin. It is actually thin, so it's good. This is good, but I would say the only drawback for this is that it gets torn off very easily. I have literally wasted 4 to 5 diapers just trying to make my child wear it, because kids are not quiet. They don't just get ready, especially boys, they don't just get ready easily. It's like an hassle that we have to go through. So in that process, I've seen that, when I try to pull this a little more, it will actually tear off. And once this goes off, it's of no use. Actually, you cannot use it. So you have to just be careful with this. And it's best if you are going somewhere out, if you're going for some event or some functions and all. This is the best, because it will give a good shape, and it won't make your baby's pants and all look weird and all. So yes, other diapers they do that, but this one is good for that. So I have kept this as well as a pack. And in this, there are two difference actually. For the night one, I would say the best diaper, the only diaper that actually prevents the leakage, is Pampers Night Diaper. I will share the link in the description, so you can click on that and you can purchase it, because I've seen there are a lot of different kind of duplicates as well. So don't go ahead and fall into any kind of a wrong product. I will share the link and you can click on that and make the purchase. These diapers are good. You can either opt for this, or you can also opt for that. I would say that the night one is actually better. You can use that only in the night. It's not necessary that you have to use a diaper the whole day, because you have to definitely, because the pricing wise, this one is very much expensive. The normal ones, if you see, they are like 7 rupees per diaper, but this ones, if you see, this will cost you somewhere around 14 to 15 rupees per diaper. So you can, so if you are looking for to balance your finance, you can actually buy this Pampers, the night one. I will share that link, that you can buy for the night time. Use that when your baby is going to sleep. Use that diaper, and it will definitely prevent the leakage. And also, you can use that if you're going out somewhere, or if you're going for any function and all. You can use Pampers. Definitely, it will give a good shape for your baby's outfit. So yes, guys, this is one. And then the next that I have is Mammy Poco Pants. So this one is actually good because of the soft elastic is actually good, and it will actually hold pee. But the only drawback for this is that this is like straight. You see there, it is not like wide, it is actually straight. So what happens when baby wears this diaper, only the back, the straight, it will cover up. So a few of the baby's butt actually will be out. So in that way, what happens, it will definitely move here and there, and there will be a leakage. And that is what is a drawback with this Mammy Poco. But this actually is very good, and it's very soft. If you're looking for some soft elastic one, then definitely this is a good one. And apart from that, yeah, that's all for the Mammy Poco pants. And price wise also, Mammy Poco pants will cost you somewhere around 13 to 14 rupees per diaper. And also there's one more Mammy Poco pant. I am not opting for that, because that is really thin and there are leakages that happen. So yes, I bought this one, because of course my baby skin has to be prevented with the elastic, because when they put strong elastic, it is really not good. So that's the reason why I opted for this as well, and I use this in the daytime and sometimes in the night as well. It depends on however it goes. And yes, I will share the link for that as well. Then the next one I have here is a Little Angel. This is actually budget friendly. This will cost you somewhere around 7 rupees per diaper. But and again, the drawback for this is that the elastic is not so, excuse me. Yes, so the elastic is actually not so great. It's like, it's really rough in the edges. So, and when you're trying to tear it, actually, or it doesn't tear off easily. So yeah, sometimes what happens that, while tearing, the skin might also get hot. So be careful with that. What you can do is, but this is good to use for the daytime. It's really good. You can rather, what you can do is just pull it far from your baby skin, and then you can tear it off. Apart from that, it's actually good. And also the drawback here would be that if the pee or poop is filled in this, it will start hanging. So for the house purpose, I would say this is okay. I mean, you can use it in the house but not outside. I don't like it. When I go out, I don't use it, but for the house it's amazing, it's good. So yeah. And there's one more diaper which I don't have it in stock, that is Supples. um Suppose is a different brand which is not quite famous, but the thing is that I went for it because I saw that the first description was that the elastic is actually soft, and honestly, it is actually soft and it is budget friendly. The cost is somewhere around 6.5 rupees or 7 rupees something per diaper. It is actually good, and it is like what to call little angel. It is similar to that, but only the thing is that the elastic is soft in supples, and it is also good for the daytime wear. But definitely that also has a drawback, that if there is a huge amount of pee in that, it will start hanging, so definitely you cannot use it outside. So for outside use, you can obviously go for Pampers, because it will give a good shape. For the night times, you should go with Pampers night diaper, which is best. And for the daytime, you can go with Little Angel, or you can go with Supples as well, because Supples the elastic is actually softer, so you can depend on you. But I would say something, guys, like always go with a bigger size of diaper, because that will prevent your child from any kind of rashes. So the bigger, but ensure that it's not too huge also, like please don't do that. Like whatever their weight is, let the diaper sit in that, so that sorry, let their age actually sit in that diaper, and buy accordingly, because it's really important. If you're gonna make them wear loose, then there will be a leakage and all. So if you make them wear tight, then they will have rashes. So to avoid both of this, you need to check out the weight, and then you buy the diaper, and that will definitely help you, because it helped me. So that is what it is, guys, about the diaper and the rashes, I mean, how to prevent it. Also, just in case, even after doing this, if your baby got rashes, you can opt for this cream. This is Himalaya diaper rash cream, and trust me, guys, this is the best. Actually, the first time when I mean, I just purchased, I got to know from my mom that there will be a lot of diaper rashes that will occur for a baby. So I bought Sebamed. Sebamed also good, but it is I mean, compared to this, it is extremely expensive. But Himalaya, I tried this, a smaller tube, just a trial pack, and it works wonders. It is so good, and it is actually thick, and it is amazing. It works so great, and I really love this one. So since then, I have used it. This is actually the only cream that I bought, and as you guys can see, still it's there, because that how less the rashes actually occur for my son. So yes, and I've used this also for if there is any kind of a bite mark, or if any kind of a hurt or anything. I use this actually, and it works amazing. It's really good. You can use this actually. So yes, guys, if you do this, that's all, your baby will be rash free, and you can really keep your baby happy and relax and chill, because when they get rashes, they go really mad. I mean, they keep crying constantly because of the pain, and because of that itchiness and all. Of course, we adults, we can understand, right? Like if we get hurt, how it happens, just imagine the rashes and all. So it's not good actually. So it's best that you please avoid it, and to avoid how to do that, I've already informed you guys. So if you follow that, it will definitely work out. In the description, I will give links for all of this products. You can click on it, and you can place the order and use it. So of course, if you guys have any questions, if there is something that is bothering you or your baby or anything, do comment, so that I will be able to tell you guys what you can do. I will definitely give a solution which I have tried for my baby. So yes, guys, that's all, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so you will keep getting all the new videos updates. So thank you so much. That's all for today. Take care.